Go on. It's alive. That looks sick.
The masking tape caught fire. I might have to take the masking tape off.
Oh, for fuck's sake. We're so stupid.
I was saying your plastic wheel arch trim caught fire at one point and all. No, I've done the top bit, but I've got the side to do now.
I want to check my wheel arch trim on my phone.
Oh, I can't wait to get up, sorry.
No, it's fine. Sorry, I might get something homosexual. Oh, it's fine. It's not that bad. Well, you know what I might do? Once you've obviously, I know you're not finished grinding yet. What I reckon what we'll do is we'll mask it off, then we'll underseal it, then it will look a bit shit, but then I'll just spray it silver.
You need to fill it first though.
So it's still in line.
So I'll grind it back today and then underseal it, but we're just going to have to grind it back and underseal it. It'll look like shit, but you need to fill it and re-underseal it.
Okay.
Because obviously the grinder will leave grind marks, so you'll still see it'll be really shit.
But to be fair, it's only in the smallest corner, nobody's going to fucking see.
Yeah.
Nobody's going to see that.
And that bit under there as well, no one's going to see
If I was you, I would just go black line.
Yeah.
Right now?
No,
Oh, to be fair.
I don't know. I'll think about it. I mean, there's things you can do.
Nobody's going to
So
fucking
we
see
said
that.
grinded it back because it was overlapping. Like in there, I had to build up weld. I couldn't just.
Yeah,
I
there was
couldn't,
a lot of space.
Yeah, there was a bit. So that's never gonna sit flush with the rest of the car. So you might be better off just grinding it back like the tiniest little bit.
Yeah.
Should I just do that? Just grind it back a tiny bit.
Yeah, keep grinding back a little bit, and then we'll. Yeah.
Yeah, no, George, to be fair to you, this was bent to shit as well.
Yeah.
That's why it's not exactly the same. If you look here, they're exactly the same height, really.
I mean,
It's just that it's bent.
Yeah, from here it doesn't look any different. Just that
Yeah.
tiny little thing. I can always cut it off.
You got a hammer?
Oh yeah. I can always cut it off, can't I? Like that little end bit.
Pass me a hammer, I'll sort it out.
Your welding's got a lot better.
Yeah. Oh my fucking coccyx.
Where's the hammer? I know you got it earlier.
Where did you put my water bottle, George? You threw a water bottle that was down there.
No, I just put it on the passenger seat and then you picked it up and drunk out of it.
Hammerless. Where's hammerless? This ain't the best one, but that's one of the hammers.
Yeah, no, that'll do.
Oh, you're alright there.
The only thing is, it's not solid because I didn't weld it.
Yeah.
Can you feel it?
Oh, that looks brilliant.
George, considering what it was like when we got here,
Yeah, honestly.
you don't need to.
Wait, I might just give a go. Yeah,
You can do it on the inside.
Get out of the way. I'm just going to do a few little tacks underneath just to hold it in place, sort of. Because there is a few little bare metal bits that I can just tack on.
Alright.
So,
Right, I need to get the fuck out of the way.
if you don't mind fucking off.
I can't believe it's so hard.
No, you can quite quick.
A few moments later.
Ollie, just come here quick. I just want to show you what I mean by it won't be flush. So see, look, because the thing overlaps, look, you see that lip? There's going to be that lip all around it. Because it overlaps.
But if it's black, you've got the other side.
If it's black, you won't.
I reckon.
Then I don't think.
Oh, also, this is solid now.
And also,
What?
it being a 24-year-old car, who's going to expect that?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, nobody's going to walk around and like, oh, it's not concrete, it's what it was like 400 quid.
Also, it's not like you're going to sell it, is it? So,
Oh, no.
my shitty weld that's the strong bit.
You don't look that shit.
I'm sorry how you're spraying it right now is really
I'm
annoying.
great, so can.
Oh, no, I'm sorry.
Oh my
And you do it so close. Wait, can I
Just
just...
do it like
I
this.
know,
Look,
I don't have to spray shit.
You spray it like George sprayed it.
You know what? Now it's being sprayed. It don't look that bad.
It doesn't even look that
I know, I told you.
bad. You're the one that just said it was going to look like sheets.
Oh, actually, I might.
Yeah, no, just
Yeah, no, you need to do that. You need to do all in there. You need to do...
Well, I was thinking about the plastic. So.
That don't
Oh,
matter.
it's fucking black anyway.
Yeah.
Sorry.
The amount of times I've just sprayed my arches with all plastic.
It's not all underneath. I know, yeah, a bit underneath. And all.
That literally looks fine.
That looks mint.
Could I just have a...
Yeah, go on, you finish off.
I don't think George wants to be doing this in a couple of years' time.
Welding it again. I'm just worried about being too high, that's my worry.
I will.
Can you take that?
I think that's a fucking good repair.
I know, considering. Right.
George just sprayed his own face.
Yeah, I know, and my face, and my phone. Ah, you cunt, George.
What?
You're right on my fucking eyebrow.
Oh, sorry.
Understill.
You have someone who's fucking...
And my hand, and my phone.
Right, do you want to pull some tape off now?
Yeah, go on. This will also be very satisfying, so I'll keep filming. Look at my hand. Look.
Your phone as well.
Bloody man.
Yeah.
There we go. You now have a sill again.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't look that bad.
Still high though. I'm gonna do that.
It just shows that it's had work.
The resto.
Yeah. The rest of
You got to admit, Oliver, that looks so much better
Yeah.
than the fucking destroyed inside too.
It's a little too high, but I mean.
Beggars can't be choosers.
I'll
You did
do
get it done for what, 60 quid? That would have cost
Yeah.
you so much money.
Yeah, go on.